5 years ago, we visited the magical Dresden Christmas market. And ever since, we've been dreaming about one unforgettable bite: the ox sandwich. From a stand with a massive ox roasting on a spit. But is it as delicious as we remember? And here's a twist. Did you know there's a hot tub at the Dresden Christmas market? We completely missed it last time, but thanks to a friend's tip, we tracked it down. Would you dare to hop in? This year, we're diving back into the Striezelmarkt, the oldest Christmas market in Germany, celebrating its incredible 590th year of festive tradition. Alongside this historic gem, we'll explore the cozy Advent at the Neumarkt, the Frauenkirche traditional Christmas market, the sparkling winter lights on Prager Straße, and the medieval Stallhof Advent Festival, all while indulging in mouth-watering holiday treats. Be sure to watch until the end to find out what we think about the ox sandwich we've been dreaming of for 5 years, and to get all the details about the medieval hot tub. This festive adventure in Dresden is truly one for the history books. Let's go. All right, Merry Christmas from the Dresden Striezelmarkt. And this is the very first Christmas market in the history of the world. It goes back to 1434. So they've been having Christmas markets here for a very long time, and it is absolutely beautiful. We've got some beautiful buildings, and the decorations are fantastic. I believe that, if I'm not mistaken, that's the tallest Christmas pyramid in the world, but maybe don't quote me on that because I'm not 100%, but I think it is, and it's absolutely beautiful. These beautiful buildings, the decorations, and the market, you cannot help but to be in a jolly, Christmassy mood when you walk through the Striezelmarkt right here in Dresden. All right, so there were two things from Dresden that we could not wait to get back and have. And the second one was this Prager Schinken. And that means ham from Prague. And they're roasting it up over there. It is so delicious. And this has almost like coleslaw, but like sauerkraut or something on there. So on this bread. And so I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. That is so good. My Lord. It's like the most tender ham you've ever had in your life. It's so warm. It's juicy. It's smoky. I tell you what, Merry Christmas from Dresden. This is really good. So we are in the Kreuzkirche, the Cross Church here in Dresden, and you come in and it's €5 to climb the tower, and it's, I think, 280 steps to get to the top. And then you get up there, and it's really crowded this evening, but beautiful views over the Striezelmarkt, the oldest Christmas market in the world. It's beautiful up there. It's very cold tonight. The wind's a little chilly, so just be prepared for some crowds and some cold air. But you get up there and you kind of find your way through, and you have magnificent views. It's absolutely beautiful of the Striezelmarkt. So when you come to Dresden, you need to get up here to the Kreuzkirche and pay on your €5 and go up to the top. Fantastic view of the Christmas market. Absolutely beautiful. If you're enjoying this video, please do us a favor and hit that like button. It really helps to get our video out to more viewers and grow our channel. And don't forget to share it with someone who might also love this festive adventure. All right, Merry Christmas from the Neumarkt here at Dresden, and underneath the beautiful Frauenkirche, Church of Our Lady. And really nice Christmas market here. This is kind of like a medieval themed Christmas market, so it has some really cool old looking, I guess, medieval stuff. So lots, again, as usual, lots of stuff to eat and drink. But one thing about Dresden, it seems to have more crafts, I guess, and they seem to be like real local crafts. I don't know, maybe that's just my perception, maybe that's not true, but they seem to be like a lot of like wood crafts and stuff like that people actually make and bring in instead of just mass produced Okay, so we have 4 Schaumküsses, which means cream kiss, and I got them in different flavors. I have one in marzipan, one in Lebkuchen, gingerbread we might say, one in Eierlikör, and the other one in coconut. So I'm pretty sure this is the coconut, but the rest of them I'm not sure actually. So I'll try this one and see how it goes, right? So it's chocolate with a little wafer on the bottom and cream inside. And that is Eierlikör. So my former neighbor, dear Helmut, he loves these things. He could sit and eat a whole box of these. It's kind of almost like a marshmallow, but it's fluffier than a marshmallow. It's better than a marshmallow. That fluff inside. It's really quite delicious. Schaumküsse here on the Striezelmarkt in Dresden. All right, so in this little street, this little alleyway, is called on der Frauenkirche, means on the Church of Our Lady, and it's its own little Christmas market here that runs up from down towards almost at the river, the Elbe River, which runs through Dresden, and it comes all the way up here to the Frauenkirche, and they have their own little Christmas market right here. Look at that chimney cake. That looks delicious. Right. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So what is Christmas at the Christmas market without some hot roasted chestnuts? Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Oh, they're nice and hot. They're cooking them up down there in a pot. Nice and warm. Really quite hot. I love chestnuts. I'd always heard that song growing up, but I had never had roasted chestnuts until I came to Europe. I'd never seen them before. I just thought it was something people sing about. I didn't know they ever actually ate them. But here at the Christmas markets, they're always roasting chestnuts. And look at this beautiful glass we have, this beautiful cup underneath the Frauenkirche. We've got the pyramid, pretty church, nice red cup. That is beautiful. All right.
Prost.
Prost. Merry Christmas from Dresden. Oh, that's delicious. What do you think?
Nice and sweet.
Nice and sweet, nice and warm.
Nice and hot.
And a beautiful cup. All right, so this is Langos, and this is something you see quite frequently, more and more at Christmas markets. And I think it's, I believe it's a Hungarian specialty that they serve here at the Christmas markets. But so it's kind of like fried bread with some cream and some cheese on top, and well, there's ham in this one as well, I guess. Normally, we don't get these, but we thought we'd give it a try since they seem to be so popular. So here we go. Langos at the Dresden Christmas market. It's very warm. It's perfectly cooked. The bread is really nice. Warm and crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. The cheese is good. So when you're looking for something that you've never tried before, when you're walking around the Christmas market and you see Langos, might as well get one. Try and look, this one's big enough that we can share it and make a meal out of it, just the two of us. Langos. The Prager Straße Christmas Market is a lively holiday destination just steps from the main train station, making it the perfect stop on your Dresden Christmas market adventure. This market has a huge Ferris wheel offering great views, a cozy ice skating rink, delicious ethnic food stalls, and charming wooden chalets filled with unique finds. Plus, it's right in the heart of a bustling shopping district, and it was just outside of our hotel. So I am at the Dresden Medieval Christmas Market, and behind me, I don't know if you can see that or not, and this is something I was actually going to do, but I just found it now, and Betty's not with me, but there's actually like a bathtub, like a medieval wooden bathtub you can jump in and I guess take a bath, and I'm not sure if you take all your clothes off or what, but I was actually going to do it. I figured it might be pretty funny, but yeah, I just found it. Betty's not here, so I'm probably not going to do it now. But this place is really cool. Listen at the bagpipes. And yeah, and I don't know what this palace is. It's some sort of palace courtyard. And so medieval Christmas market here in Dresden. And I tell you, I wish I'd found this earlier because I would have liked to spend some more time here because it is really pretty cool. Lots of crafts, lots of food. I tell you, I'm full. I've been doing nothing but eating the last few days, so I'm not hungry at all, but the food really smells good. Man, there's plenty of all your hot beverages, all your treats, cooked in like a medieval manner. This is really cool. For a truly unique experience at Dresden Stallhof Medieval Christmas Market, why not take a soak in the wooden hot tub? Set on a raised platform in the heart of the market, it's perfect for relaxing while soaking up the festive atmosphere. Though you'll be on display for passers-by, so be ready for some attention. The tub accommodates up to 6 people and costs 89 euros on weekdays and 99 euros on weekends, and this includes 1 drink per person and entry for all bathers. Sessions last 90 minutes, and while bathing is traditionally without clothing, if you're shy, swimsuits are available, or you can bring your own. And don't forget your towels. Pro tip, be sure to book in advance. This unforgettable experience is the perfect way to add some medieval charm to your holiday season. Would you give it a try? I have been dreaming about this for about 5 years. The last time I was here at the Christmas market, 2019, and this oxen sandwich and a roll, and they've got the big ox roasting over a fire. And I had this 5 years ago, and it's like one of the best things I've ever eaten at a Christmas market, and I've been dreaming to come back. So here we are with our oxen. It's got some rotkohl on there, and it is a dream. I can't wait to take the first bite. Here we go. Unbelievably tender, so juicy, absolutely delicious. So when you come to Dresden, I don't know which square we're in, but come to the oxen place and get yourself an oxen sandwich, and you will not be sorry because it is absolutely delicious. Guten Appetit from Dresden. My dreams were true. My dreams came back. It is every bit as good as it was 5 years ago. Delicious. Be sure to check out our other Christmas market adventures in our Christmas market playlist. We've explored some truly magical holiday markets this year, and there's so much more festive cheer waiting for you. Don't miss out. Click over to the playlist and keep the Christmas spirit alive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.